2024 Audi Q5 Sportback. The 2024 Audi Q5 is the encapsulation of the expression balanced. It consolidates solace style, elements, and construct quality to convey unsurprising execution and allure as opposed to state-of-the-art execution or brave styling. Clients esteem its straightforward person and have made it the brand's top-rated model. From the front, the new Audi contrasts just marginally from the standard SUV. The radiator grille has a marginally unique plastic lattice, and the air consumption managers under the headlights have likewise been changed. The Q5 Sportback is accessible with old lighting innovation, which makes the headlights and brake lights more brilliant and more productive than any time in recent memory. The inside of the new Audi Q5 Sportback looks practically indistinguishable from that of the standard Q5. You get a similar slick dashboard plan with Audi's most recent infotainment framework. It comprises of a standard 12.3-inch virtual cockpit and a detached 10.1-inch touchscreen show. Fortunately, the standard Q5's inside was at that point truly outstanding in its group. All the innovation functions admirably, and the form quality is very great. The 550-liter boot in the standard Q5 drops to 510 liters in the Sportback. Overlap the Q5 Sportback's back seats down and volume increments to 1,000 for 180 liters, albeit that is as yet 70 liters, not as much as what can fit in the standard Q5.
Never let go of me.
The new Audi Q5 Sportback is presented with a couple of 2.0-liter motors, a petroleum 45 TFSI with 265 horsepower, what's more, a diesel 40 TDI with 204 horsepower, as well as a module crossbreed model with 299 horsepower. Audi likewise sent off a 347-drive twin-turbocharged V6 diesel motor in the SQ5 Sportback. And each Audi Q5 Sportback, including the superior presentation SQ5, accompanies a 7-speed double grip program transmission.